Hey guys, fortunately this article come to my notice. Anyway, overall it's good, but when you turn on the non-printing character, it shows many errors like punctuation, double space, triple space, unwanted junk character. Also, I don't want the bookmarks in my trifold browser. If it is same type of bookmark, it's very easy to find and replace. But these bookmark type go to 1, 2, 3, 4 until our more content. I'm going to fix this in just 3 seconds. I tried these techniques in MS Office, but it doesn't work out. No worry, we have our friend Adobe InDesign. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First I select text tool and paste the content. This part we have to apply text wrap. I tell you later how to do that. Then I go to edit menu, spelling, whether the dynamic spelling on or off. It should be on. Then I select all the content, go to paragraph option. I giving space for each paragraph first line and space before after for each para. And go to character, adjusting the leading value for each line. Once fixed the content in right alignment, then we will start fixing the errors. Then I go to Control F for find and change. Here I go to crop. Crop means you can find not only text, also you can find all the type of character. Here I giving double space. So change value to single space. On our content, wherever the double spaces are there, it should be replaced as single space. Here are the example to finding one by one. Then I am replacing all. Same way I copy the double para space here and find it. Then I am changing to single para. So in our document, wherever double para is there, it should change to single para. Then I click on the search button. Here we have more options. You check it one by one. It's really awesome, guys. For example, here I go to wildcard, then any digit. You put the /d, you can find all digit within the content, which means whatever digit within our content we can find one by one and change to whatever we want. Same way, I'm giving the value / open bracket, then /d, then / close bracket. So we could find all the bookmarks within our content. Then I don't want the bookmarks within our content. So just go to change to giving single space, then changing all. Still you have more space, then find double space on the find tab, then change to single space. So whatever action we do, where the action really should be need. So within our document, within our story or all documents, so you can set up here. Here I am going to apply text wrap. Just roughly create a drawing on the picture. Then it should not have any color, just close the color. Then go to window menu, text wrap, text around the object. Once done all these type of errors, then we will start to spell check each and every word. This is proofreader work, right? So by the check spelling here, you have to spell check each and every word. Some word you repeatedly have to use it, just you can add to dictionary. Then it won't be indicating in dynamic spell check. I hope this video brought you good understanding of content errors and how to fix this. See you soon in the next video. Until that, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much.